Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today we'll be going through moderator permissions on a team on the Webex app. So go to your team. On the left-hand side corner, it will show teams. Choose the team that you want to edit moderator permissions to. Go to general or go to the space that you want to edit permissions to. So let's say the general is where you would want to make announcements to with no one replying to it. You can go to the settings button on the right hand side. You can disable any mentions. You can turn on announcement mode, and it will only allow the moderators to post content, start calls, schedule meetings, or create whiteboards. And once you're ready, you can just press OK. If you want to disable mentions on all people in this space, then you could just do so. Just press enable mentions or disable mentions to all people in the space, and that's it. So meeting capabilities for moderators are depending on the meeting host. So only the host can record the meeting. That's it. Those are the moderator permissions on the Webex app.